Hi my dear students, it is my pleasure to meet you again in this video session. This is M. Tamilvanan, your physics teacher from Bharatadasanan Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today I am going to introduce new topics are torque on an electric dipole in uniform electric field and work done on an electric dipole in uniform electric field. By using torque, we have one application that is, yes, we are well known. What is this? Microwave oven. Yes, what is uses of this microwave oven? Microwave oven is used to cook the food. Very good. So, the microwave oven generate microwaves. Microwaves is nothing but 10 to the power of -6 meter waves. Okay. So, this microwave ovens produce microwaves and they generate non-uniform electric field. By using this non-uniform electric field, the water in food, the water's molecules, it will be oscillate. The water molecules is nothing but dipole moment. Yes, dipole moment H2O. This water molecule produce one torque. Why? Because the dipole is placed in non-uniform magnetic field, that's why the torque is produced. So, here the dipole act as a water molecule, that's why the oscillation produced. Further, the water molecule bonding will be break down. So, the thermal energy is produced, that thermal energy or the heat energy produced, that's why the food will be used to cook. Okay. So, this is one important applications by using torque. So, what is the torque? How the torque is produced? Yes, let us see torque. Torque on an electric dipole in uniform electric field. So, electric dipole, two equal and opposite charge separated by a very small distance, that is called what? Dipole. So, here negative charge and positive charge, so one dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, the distance is 2a. So, this is uniform electric field lines. This lines is nothing but what? These are what lines? Electric field lines. So, this is uniform electric field lines. Here the dipole and the electric field make it one angle, that is theta, and dipole moment act from negative charge to positive charge in particular angle. See, on this charge one force is produced, that force is electrostatic force. So, the electric field formula, we know electric field E vector is equal to the force acting per unit charge. So, F vector is equal to, we can write this equation E vector into Q. So, this is what? Force. So, here the force is acting on charge minus Q is acting opposite to the electric field, and the one more force is acting on the plus Q charge, that is E into Q is acting along electric field direction. Here two forces are acting, the two forces are same magnitude and different direction. Different direction is means it is acting opposite direction. So, that is why the net force is equal to 0. So, listen my dears. The net force is equal to 0, that is why there is no translational motion of the dipole. Okay. Now, these two forces are not acting on single point, that is why here the couple is produced, that couple it makes an or experience a torque. What is the formula for torque? The torque is equal to the magnitude of force and the perpendicular to distance, the product of force and perpendicular distance. So, the formula torque is equal to electric force into perpendicular distance. This symbol is nothing but perpendicular distance. Here which one is perpendicular distance? This one is theta. So this side is opposite side. So this is a perpendicular distance or perpendicular direction. Okay, how we can write this equation? So torque is denoted by tau equal to electric force. We have to take any one force, the magnitude of any one force. Why? Because both in same magnitude, So electric force we have to take Q into E vector, and the perpendicular distance is 2a into sin theta. So 2a into sin theta we can calculate by using this diagram. Okay, so this is a theta opposite side, this one is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this one is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse we know 2a, opposite side we have to find out. So that is nothing but perpendicular distance. So the sin theta is equal to opposite side, or we can write what? Perpendicular distance divided by hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse value is 2a, and opposite side we have to take perpendicular distance. This is perpendicular distance divided by opposites 2a into sin theta. What do you want? Perpendicular distance. So the perpendicular distance is equal to 2a into sin theta. 2a into sin theta. It's clear? Yes. So next, Q into 2a, we are well known about Q into 2a. What is Q into 2a? Yes, 2 into QA is nothing but dipole moment. What is the formula? So the formula is P is equal to Q into 2a. So we can write this Q into 2a is equal to what? P. So this equation we can write P into E into sin theta. Torque tau vector is equal to P vector cross E vector. So this is a vector form of torque. The unit of torque we can write Newton meter. The direction of torque is perpendicular and into the plane containing P vector and E vector. See my dear, this is the direction of electric field and this is the direction of dipole moment direction, but the torque is acting always perpendicular to that E and the P. Okay. If theta is 0, what happened? The torque. If theta is 90 degree, what happened? So which means if the dipole we place in same direction of electric field or perpendicular direction or anti-parallel direction, what happened? The torque. We will see that. So we have special case, the tau formula, tau is equal to Pe sin theta. If I substitute the angle is 0 degree, the theta is equal to 0 degree, then tau is equal to 0. Why? Because see our formula Pe sin theta, Pe sin theta. So the tau is equal to Pe sin theta. When you substitute here theta is equal to 0 degree, the sin 0 degree equal to 0, so tau is equal to Pe into 0, so totally 0. So the tau is equal to 0. Second condition, if theta is equal to 90 degree, sin theta is equal to 1. So 1 into Pe, so tau is equal to P. So in this time the torque is maximum. This time what? Torque is maximum. So there is no net force. Why? Because that is a uniform electric field. Okay. Next, if theta is equal to 180 degree, theta equal to 180 degree means this is the direction of electric field. When you place the dipole moment in opposite direction, this is a P vector. P vector is the dipole moment direction. So that time the tau also 0. Why? Because sine 180 degree, sine 180 degree also 0. So the tau is equal to 0. Okay. These are the conditions of a torque. So they will ask repeated one more questions in public exam as well as the NEET exam. The dipole is placed in a uniform electric field. Here very important word is uniform electric field. What? Uniform electric field with its axis in parallel. The parallel is nothing but here theta is equal to 0 degree. Theta equal to 0 degree to the field. It experience what? Already I said in dipole, the dipole placed in uniform electric field, the two forces acting, the two forces same magnitude. So the net force is equal to 0. So the first option only a net force. Is it correct or wrong? Yes. This one is wrong. Why? Because the force is equal to 0. F is equal to must be 0. Why? Because uniform electric field. Okay. Torque will be produced when theta is equal to 90 degree. But here the given theta is equal to how much? 0 degree. What is the formula? Tau is equal to P E sin theta. So theta is equal to 0. So this term totally will become what? 0. So tau is equal to 0. So which one is answer? Option A. Is it correct? Or option B? Only torque. Is it correct? No. Both net force and torque? No. So option B is wrong. C also wrong. Which one is correct? Neither a net force nor a torque. Very good. So this is our answer. Neither a net force nor a torque. So next question. A dipole is placed in non-uniform electric field. What? Non-uniform electric field. Non-uniform means, so here force it will act. Force must be act. Why? Because the field is not uniform. This is non-uniform electric field. And the angle is perpendicular. Perpendicular means how much? 90 degree. Okay. Come, if the dipole is placed in non-uniform electric field, the force must be present. Force must be present. Okay. This is one clue. So neither a net force nor a torque. First one only a net force. It may be answer. Second one only a torque. We will see the torque. 90 degree. 90 degree means tau is equal to, what is the formula? PE sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree equal to 1. So tau is equal to PE. So here what? Maximum torque will be produced. So which one is answer? Net force also present. Torque also present. So here both net force and torque. So that's why option A is wrong. Option B is wrong and option C is correct. Okay? Yes. And an electric dipole in uniform electric field. Now, one electric dipole placed in uniform electric field. This electric dipole placed in uniform electric field. These lines are uniform electric field. Here the torque will produce, this is our last topic, you know, when an electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, it experiences torque and it tends to align in such a way to attain stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. Now I am doing one small work done. What is the formula for work done? Force into displacement. Here the force we take on torque. Torque is a, here I am taking what? Force. So the work done here taking is nothing but the initially the theta 1 is angle between electric field and the dipole. This is the initial stage. Now I am doing one small work done, which means I am displacing from theta 1 to and theta 2, here the small displacement that is called the d theta. Okay, from theta 1 to theta 2 changing, my displacement is only small what? D theta. This is a one displacement. What is the formula for work? Force into displacement. So here I am taking the work dW. Why I am writing this dW? It's nothing but small amount of work done. So small amount of work done is equal to tau into d theta. Okay, tau formula. What is the tau formula? Tau is equal to PE sin theta. Very good. Tau is equal to PE sin theta into d theta. Okay, this is a one small work done. Now I want the total work done. So from initial to final, I am taking what? Integral. Here I am using the integral. So dW I am taking integral for dW. It will come what? W is equal to integrate PE sin theta into d theta. The integral of sin theta into d theta is equal to, what is the formula? Minus cos theta, minus cos theta. So here if I am taking integral, this formula it will change. W is equal to minus PE cos theta, minus PE cos theta. This is a one small amount of work done. This work done we take energy, that is called potential energy. So if the potential and energy is arbitrarily taken is 0, when the dipole is at a 90 degree. Dipole is at 90 degree means this the angle it will change from theta 1 to 90 degree. So this is electric field lines. This is a electric dipole. Now one angle is theta. When I am changing up to 90 degree, 90 degree means this dipole it will come like this. So this is angle of 90 degree. So which means, so the angle of 90 degree between E and the dipole. So that time what? The potential energy is 0. Okay. So energy U is equal to minus PE cos theta. Yes. Here I am using different angle. Special case of work done, U equal to minus PE cos theta. When I am substitute the different cases, if theta is equal to 0 degree, then U equal to minus PE. So cos 0 degree value equal to 1, cos 0 degree value equal to 1. When you substitute, U is equal to minus PE cos theta. Here theta is equal to 0 minus PE cos 0, cos 0 degree equal to 1. So the answer is minus PE, minus PE. So this is first condition. And second, if theta is equal to 90 degree, cos 90 degree equal to 0. So totally this one is a 0. And if theta is equal to 180 degree, so which means anti-parallel direction, then U is equal to PE. So this is a maximum, which means unstable equilibrium. This one is a stable equilibrium. The comparison of torque and work. The formula for torque, tau is equal to PE sin theta. Here U is equal to minus PE cos theta. We have three cases for both torque and work. If theta is equal to 0, then tau is equal to 0. Here theta is equal to 0, that time U equal to minus PE. If theta is equal to 90 degree, then torque is equal to PE. In this time torque is maximum, but the same condition for work is a 0. Okay, there is no energy, there is no potential energy. Here potential energy is equal to 0. Okay, if I am substituting theta is equal to 180 degree, that time the torque is equal to 0, but for work is equal to what? PE. Here the maximum work is done. Thanks for listening. I have attached question bank, study material, question paper for self-assessment test in this below description. Please go through well. Thank you.